Jabir Al Ahmad International Stadium is a beautiful monument and dynamic living sculpture. The 60,000-seat stadium was designed by architect firm Weidenplan Consulting of Germany and consists of 4 levels with 54 corporate boxes. The stadium is the current home of the Kuwait national football team, where Kuwait hosted the 20th Gulf Cup, along with a spectacular opening night celebration and multimedia show that lit up the sky. Unfortunately, before this all happened, major issues in the stadium needed to be addressed, and the stadium sat dormant for several years. The stadium sat dormant for 5 years without maintenance, from 2010 through 2014. The lack of routine management of the roofing system created a domino effect that rippled through other areas of the stadium. The roofing system is the largest single component of the stadium, and we found the following items that impacted the structure greatly due to a lack of maintenance. Approximately 3,500 bolts were rusted, and the rusty bolts blocked the movement of the roof's canopy. Over 22 of 165 cable pins were loose or completely unscrewed. This caused an uneven distribution of weight on the structure. And 195 loose cables were detected from visual scanning, which also caused an uneven weight distribution of the roof. The rain channels on the roof were also blocked with dirt and dust, which prevented the free flow of rainwater, therefore adding an additional weight to the structural beams and support. The huge difference in atmospheric temperatures causes the metal in the tension rods to expand and contract. Like a Bedouin tent, you must tighten and loosen the ropes on the tent to keep the canopy shaped during the extreme summer heat by day and the cold winter air by night. In the case of the stadium, this expansion and contraction of the tension rods and wires results in enormous pressure on the beams and expansion joints, causing them to move and show visible stress cracks in the concrete and load-bearing joints. This stadium is similar to another stadium in Germany, where the weather conditions are much different than Kuwait. The German structure has operated successfully since 2008 and has not experienced the structural issues we see here. This is because the German structure has had consistent maintenance since completion. In Kuwait, this stadium needs even more maintenance because the temperature variance adds load to the structure that proper maintenance can offset and prevent damage. Maintenance on the roofing system is performed by 2 specialized teams to cover the entire stadium in 6-month cycles. The first team maintains the steel structure, while the second team maintains the fabric shed. Each team is given extensive training by the Tensiform company every 2 to 3 months, along with a review of the completed work. Due to Kuwait's enormous variance in outdoor temperature, the roofing system experiences expansion and contraction of all metal parts. Therefore, the focus of the steel structure maintenance is frequent calibration of all wires and metal parts. The goal is to make sure the tension in the cables is the same for each season and prevent gaps, rips, and normal wear and tear. The fabric on the shed is PTFE membrane. The fabric consists of several layers of woven fiberglass that is coated with Teflon and is resistant to ultraviolet sun exposure, rain, wind, and other weather conditions. Maintenance of the fabric begins by scanning the roof for rips, damage, and tears, and then the team goes and repairs all the distressed areas. This is an amazing facility that will continue to be Kuwait's official monument for athletic performance and football competition. With consistent maintenance and updates, our stadium will be vibrant and thriving for years to come.